guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be making jollof rice with bell pepper, like smoky delicious jollof rice. This is how I make my jollof rice. I know there are lots of recipes all over social media or online on how to make jollof rice, but this is practically how I make mine, and I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my jollof rice. This jollof rice is actually for lunch, and that's what we'll be having. So yeah, come with me, let's cook together. I'm so excited. Always know that I'm a foodie. Like, if there's nothing you know about me, just know this one thing, that Chiso Mama is a foodie. So let's get right into this video. See ya. I think God has a way of compensating for losses or a yes. Oh my God, yes. God has a way, because now I just thought of it like, okay. So this is how I preserve my bell pepper now. I think this is a week old, and yeah, I'd say preserving it this way works, like wrapping it with foil paper, but I don't think it will last longer than, say, 2 weeks before everything gets soft again. Bell pepper. So let me just grab some onion. Bom. So guys, can you see all the spice beside this pot? That's all I'll be using for this jollof. So I just want to make sure that my tomato paste and bell pepper is well cooked or fried, whichever term you want to use. Yeah, because the more you fry it, the sweeter it gets. Like the bell pepper itself makes it sweet, like it has this sugar taste to it. So that's the game changer. That's usually what I use. I rarely use fresh tomato these days to make jollof rice. I just use my tin tomatoes and bell pepper with lots of onion, then season with the spice beside this pot. So yeah. Mama, yeah. Spoon. Can you make spoon? Hi, Bobo. Oh, he's smiling. Woo! I smile. Yes, he's smiling. Hi, Bobo. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Really? Oh. Baby cute. Baby cute. So it's time to add all my spice. Of the spice in it. Yeah, just to give it a final look. So I don't like to see all of this. I don't even know why I learned how to do this one, honestly. Before, I used to use all this stuff inside my jollof. I don't know. I think this one is just being extra, if you know what I mean. No. Because I feel like when you pour everything, like you don't even get to see them when your food finally cooks. The only place like I see it, like it's obvious, is maybe you're making stew and you want to pair it with rice. Okay, you might see it in the stew, because it won't come out like really clear, like that sharp surface, like neat surface rather. But with jollof, I feel like everything is going to, you know, come together, cook, and it just vanishes. But like I said, just being extra, and I guess I'm used to it. So you can skip this phase and just pour all your meat stock inside without, you know, having to sieve it this way. So whichever one rocks your boat, just, you know, do you. I'm going to add salt to taste. I don't want it to come out too soft, like I don't want plenty water. So I'll add my rice first and see if the water in it will be able to, you know, cook the rice. If not, I'll just add the extra stock that I need. See the color of this rice? It's giving like bell pepper. That's the power of bell pepper. So this is what it looks like. the water level should just be slightly above your rice level. So I'm going to take a foil paper and cover it so that to trap in heat. It's not the water that will cook the rice, it's actually the heat that will cook the rice. So yeah, cover. So you'll cook this on low heat, like really low heat. My burner number is up to number 9, but I usually use number 2 size, or number 2 rather, of the burner to cook this rice. So I'm just going to let it sit for some time, and yeah, before we add our final accessories. So I'll set my burner number to 2 and let it cook. I wanted to add that I think this is the reason, part of the reason why when you're done cooking, you don't feel like eating the food, or you already feel full. I think it's because when you're in the kitchen, you tend to drink lots of water. Like, I've been sipping this water and sipping this water, and honestly, I was hungry before I started making this food. But right now, like, I feel full. Like, I don't feel any hungry. Like, I could finish preparing this food and I won't be able to eat this food, like, say till the next 2 hours or so, before my body will come back, and maybe I would have finish using up the water in my stomach, because the way I drink water when I'm in the kitchen is something else. I think the heat too, like the heat that you're generating, you're losing water from your body, like you're sweating, and you just need to replace. And while you're replacing, you're filling your stomach up with water, and then you're feeling full. So that's just it. This is just me. I'm just ranting. Don't mind me. So let's just wait for our jollof rice to cook, and I'm going to show you guys what the final look looks like. I hope that makes sense. So yeah. So let's see. Thank God. Thank God. Thank God, Mama. I'm going busy now. No. So this is our jollof rice. Like, this looks super yummy. So this is our jollof rice. Looks super, super yummy. Yeah. You guys already know that I won't skip this part. So this is my husband's son, my plate of food. Yeah. You give me butterflies when you smile and it feels so good. This is super yummy. This is so tasty. Guys, you need to try this recipe. It's as if I put, I don't know whether it's sugar. It doesn't taste sugar, but you know how sugar is just too sweet. So that's how this food tastes. And I'm sure, very certain, it's the bell pepper. I want to say thank you guys for watching. I'm done preparing my jollof and roasted chicken, barbecue roasted chicken, because I used some barbecue spice. I think you guys saw it in the video. And yeah, so just want to say thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting my channel. If you've not liked this video, please do well to like this video. Leave your comments below. Let me know what you think about using bell pepper to make jollof rice. And make sure you turn on your bell notification so that you'll be one of the first persons to get notified anytime I upload. And until I see you guys in my next upload, bye.